É isso.
This morning by the Honorable Mayor and of course your distinguished self in this very historic chamber. We are from Sokoto State, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Just like I mentioned to the Mayor and Nigerian Federation, we have 3 tiers of government working alongside with each other. We have the federal government, we have the state government, and then we have the local government. And the local government have elected chairman and elected councillors. And the state ministries for local government or departments, as they may be called in some states, oversee, guide, and regulate the activities of these local governments without prejudice to their autonomy, both financial and administrative. So we are actually in Cyprus on the invitation of the University of Nicosia, alongside the Global Educational Council in the United Kingdom, to come here and see how the local government system operates, so that the people I have with me will be able to benefit and use that to impact positively to our system.